Today we are going to do dried tomato espresso. That dried tomato is already grinded, but maybe not grinded enough. So let's grind a little bit. This is our best option. Let's go. Looks the same. That's a little bit more grinded. Let's take this one. Speaking about tomatoes, have you ever saw the movie Attack of the Killer Tomatoes? Well, I guess we are about to recreate what originated the movie. Well, that was a perfect amount. Okay, let's do then our spready thing. And now, our compressy thing. Looks compressed. Well, let's see if the entire dry tomato espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. I wasn't expecting this color. Okay. Oh, that was a quick one. I wasn't expecting neither this color nor this smell. It's a smell that it's not tomatoes. It looks maybe some cleaning product. I don't know. It's not so appetizing. It's hard to believe that this one come from this one, but I don't know what I was expecting. So let's try then. Let's go. Saúde. Okay, that almost make me remember Bloody Mary. Yes, a warm Bloody Mary. It doesn't have any alcohol in it. It does not have salt, but it's salty. Maybe it's because the dry tomato over there, it's already salted to cure or dry it. I can drink this, but I'll probably mix that in some red sauce, maybe with some ice. Let's try. We'll add some finishing touch. Why not a touch of Kentucky Friends? All right, saúde then. That's surprisingly good now. It's different now. Maybe going through a corretto espresso way, which is the Roman espresso, the espresso with the alcohol. It's a different approach for this dry tomato one. I'm not saying I'm going to drink the entire beverage. Maybe I'll add to the sauce anyway. But that's an upgrade from before. So to wrap up, is it possible to make an espresso entirely made of dry tomatoes? Well, the answer is yes, you can. But should you do it? Even with the whiskey in here? I would say you should not. But it has some use, and well, we still have to check our dry tomato puck. By the way, let's see it. That's a colorful puck. All the red color stayed in here, and it sure looks some compressed tomatoes. Let's taste now. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like, okay, I'll say dry tomatoes, but it's the dry tomatoes that we have inside oil, you know? The sun-dried tomatoes. This one tastes exactly like that, but without the olive oil tastes. And I don't know if I miss this olive oil. This taste in here is great for adding a very concentrated tomato flavor to something, which is what I think I'm going to do right now. I mean, it's lunchtime. So, well, it's a good puck. So the entire dry tomato espresso experience is not fully good. The puck is okay. The beverage I didn't like so much, even with the whiskey and stuff. So not a full success. Shakshouka.